Hey everybody, it's Kim from Lazy Boy in Orlando, and today we're going to talk about our nice comfy rocker recliners. They're so comfortable, everybody wants one. Once they're in your home, you're nice and snuggled in, you start to recline all the way back and get a nice comfortable position. As you notice, when I reclined, it made a little bit of noise. That noise is actually what's supposed to happen. So when you recline back, we have 16 locking mechanisms that tilt our chair up to get our legs up above our heart rate, along with 3 locking positions in the footrest. These mechanics all together make our chair nice and solid and safe and strong. So that's what it's supposed to sound like. Now on that recline down, a lot of people think our chairs make a lot of noise and they're like, oh no, my chair's broken. But that's not the case. That's actually what it's supposed to do. However, there is a little secret to get around that. Let me show you. First of all, when you're reclined, most people, when they go to recline, they lean forward. So you're putting extra weight on that footrest and you're pulling it off of the back of the chair. So when you do that, boom, you hear lots of noise. So it's all that pressure releasing. Doesn't mean it's broken, it's working properly. But we can actually soften that sound if you listen to my little secret. So this time, when you're reclined back, when you're ready to lean forward, just make sure you apply a little bit of pressure to the back of your shoulder. Slowly release that footrest. Ta-da! No sound at all. Now remember, that's our secret. Keep it to just us. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.